Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 6th generation Nissan Altima. This is a 2024 model, and I will show you which fuse to check in case you're having problems with the fuel pump. This video should apply to Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Fuse you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood right here. To remove the cover, you will have a couple of black tabs, one here, two here, and one here. So you want to press onto each of those tabs and lift up. Ideally, you would use two hands to remove this, but it's doable with one as well. On the back side, there is also a small fuse diagram. And here you have access to all of the fuses. And the fuel pump fuse will be this small 10 amp red fuse located right here. This is the first thing you can check, and this is something you can do by yourself. If this fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You'll have to check the fuel pressure and things like that. So if you're not mechanically inclined, you'll have to take the vehicle to a licensed shop. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.